You should know by now that you can't trust beautiful pictures of people on social media. They're almost always enhanced. But if you're like me and never done something like that to yourself and your own pictures, and you're wondering how far can you take this face tuning thing, there's an app with precisely the same name called Facetune. It allows you to do some pretty crazy changes to your pictures and export them in a very realistic sense for free. As soon as you download the app from the Play Store, you'll be presented with a bunch of questionnaire. Why are you using this? What is your proficiency with editing? And based on that, you'll be given a bunch of options which you can choose. It seems to give you 3 choices to select as your first trial. So let's select reshaping features, maybe clear blemishes, that's another common one, and color hair. Why not? It asks you to sign up with your Google account or Facebook account. Alright, let's add a really handsome fellow that everyone knows. Not that he needs any touch up, but this is just a test. So it automatically identifies his face, and you can already add a bunch of weird presets. They're not working very well, so let's add something of our own. So if you click on face, it automatically identifies his face, and now you can change a bunch of parameters like his jawline, his lips. You can even make people smile, which is something I've seen before with, I think, Face app. That app even adds teeth, which is even more ridiculously, impressive and scary at the same time. You can even make their eyes bigger. Bro, this person looks like either an anime character or a supervillain. Let's keep anime character. You can change even the nose, everything kind of squishes pretty much realistically, it's not giving any weird artifacts. This is how far image editing has come. It doesn't require any complicated processors anymore. You can do it on a phone within 2 minutes. I mean, I'm just messing around here, but imagine someone doing this seriously. You probably can't even tell that this is the final picture, but originally it was like this. There is a subscription to remove ads and everything, but you can continue with ads and export the same picture with really good quality. If I had done my editing in a little more realistic way, you would probably believe that this is a real person. Now, I don't like the idea of changing your face to appeal to others. It's okay to have fun like what I just did here, but if you feel the need to change your face or any structure as such, I don't think it's a problem with your face. It's something else. I'm just saying. Anyway, just an interesting app called Facetune. Check it out.